Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the pre-market outlook discussion, 5th of February. This is the Indian markets now on the verge of making an up move attempt in the sense towards making recovering the points it has lost in the recent days. Since it has closed above the NIFTY, closed above 25,740, which was the first session. Anyhow, the second consecutive close also required to make a confirmation on the direction which is currently following. So that 25,700 started acting again. So we are making you all aware that the up movement attempt is being taken and the great move can be expected once today also it maintained a close above to that point. That is the good information. Starting with the discussion we can have. Based on the yesterday's one, as usual, the review of behavior about yesterday's session, it had almost took a good attempt to ensure it is recovering. Yes, it recovered. And throughout the volatile trend, it has taken between a small range. So that helped the index to reclaim 25,740 and even closed above it. Based on this phrase, we used to say, the NIFTY recaptures 25,740, strength returns. That is the good news, happy news for the long traders. And the ability should be watched, and as long as this 25,740 without breaking even in any time frame, particularly if it is sustained in the larger time frame, means where you can get the advanced confirmation about today's close also maybe above that point, like, and you can, based on that sustainability watching, you can make your trade setups on the long side without hesitation and with clarity and confidence. Let's see what happened in today's session. Anyhow, the opening trend would be on the stable manner for our market, despite there are mixed cues, including the second consecutive hit on the technological stocks in US region NASDAQ markets as well as in others also. For India, the extension on the technological oriented selling may be expected, but it may not be sustaining under the low point of yesterday for the NIFTY IT index, which may be helping the short covering based upside momentum. If the NIFTY is sustaining, provided if the NIFTY is sustaining about 25,740 for 1 to 2 hours, if it is enough for the confirmation. So that only we explained, like, for any larger time frame, if it is staying above 25,740, you can get the advanced confirmation for further up movement. Like, let's see that is going to happen or not. So the levels would be on the 25,740, a pivotal range for the day. As long as it is sustaining about to that point, 26,000 may be eyed by NIFTY spot. In case, with a rare chance, we are actually giving this assumption based prediction. In case if it is breaking below and sustaining below 25,740 in larger time frame, means it may be seeking its next buying support around 25,600 followed with 25,500. Today also we can see a tight consolidation oriented movements and behavior from the NIFTY side. I'm giving opportunity based on sector, selective sectors and the selective stocks under the each sector. So that is what the trading setup oriented strategy one can follow. From the positional standpoint, the NIFTY should close about 25,740 as discussed earlier. to get the confirmation about further upward momentum. Otherwise, the volatile trend between 24,700 to 25,700 would be driving the market for the entire February. So that is what the level-based strategies one can follow even for positioning. Sectors like IT, energy, bank, finance, metal, realty can be focused, and the most of the sectors under these particular listed sectors would be driving the markets or leading the markets today. On the stocks front, the day traders can focus based on the news and earnings based one we have listed include Bajaj Financial Services, Tata Power, Cummins India, Apollo Tyres, Tata Consultancy Services, Infosys, Metropolis Healthcare, Lloyd's Engineering. Many are available which can be prioritized if you are looking for a good opportunity or an enhanced opportunity from these stock-oriented trading. From the results side, the companies like Bharti Airtel, Indian Oil Corporation, TMPV, Tata Motors Passenger Vehicles, LIC, Hero Motocorp, Power Finance, Max Healthcare, Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, Bharti Hexacom, Hitachi Energy, Nika, Unominda, Suzlon Energy are one of the long-term stock recommended for 100% return potential. Rail Vikas Nigam, Hindustan Copper, another one in our list of 100% potential. Berger Paints, Godrej Properties can be watched out and even can pick the momentum based on the results announced. So this can be a favorable one for the day traders, even for the short-term positional traders. Anyhow, irrespective of the direction the market's going to give, following a stop loss discipline across all transactions would be required to manage your risk and reward well, as well as enjoying the good returns amongst the trades you are going to take. So keep the stop loss without forget. That's it from today's pre-market discussion. Let's see whether the market is as expected going to close about 25,740 or not. You have to wait and watch for that. Enjoy the day. Have a prosperous trading.